Pools was fantastic. We got a recommendation from somebody who's worked in our pool before, and every time the minute we met with Hikmet, we knew he was the right person to work with. He was totally honest. His crew was professional. They were clean. They were always here. It never was a case where they didn't show up. The work was complicated and they did a fantastic job. The price was fair. We were more than happy. I'm a real estate agent, so I know the value that we just added with this work that Hikmet and Blue Dream Pools just did for us. We couldn't be happier.